Hi everybody, this is sirpierre, back another day with another unboxing. It's been a while since I did a new sneaker unboxing video, so I just thought I'm gonna do an UnDeadstock unboxing video while I wait for something new, nice to release. These are called Nike Air Jordan 1 Retro High Premier, and we call them Gucci or Christmas. I always call them Christmas. This shoe is super nice. It really is. It's really luxury, but it's one size too small for me. So I'm gonna present the shoe for you and then put the camera a bit closer. But people throw around the Gucci name a bit much. As soon as something is green and red and black, they call it Gucci. And these are green, red and black. But actually it's not black, because everything that we see that looks black or looks gray is actually green. And I just call them Christmas because I think it's a super cool Christmas shoe. This is something Santa Claus would wear. So the shoe first released in 2008. These were the first shoe to release in the series of laser etched Air Jordan 1s. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So these are called the Premier, and that whole series of the laser etch Jordan sold out instantly. These also sold out, and they were so popular that they came back in December 2013. These are from December 2013. And when they released in December 2013, nobody actually cared about them, just because it didn't say Nike Air on the tongue. It's a Jumpman and Air. And I, as you know, I prefer this. I love the Jumpman logo. I think it looks a lot better. And the colors make people call them Gucci. We have on the laces green, red and black. And this is the only shoe with these laces. So that's a whole Gucci thing. And the swoosh that are velvet is so nice. Looks gray, but it is green. And oh man, this shoe is so nice, so comfortable. And the whole inside, both tongue and the inside of the whole shoe is also velvet. Super comfortable. We have soft leather around the shoe, and then in the details with the eye laces and the heel on the toe box is super soft red suede, and the red suede matches the red leather perfectly. So this is a super cool shoe, but it's a size too small for me. So yeah, it has been dead stock since 2013. 7-year-old shoe. They will not fit me today either. Oh yeah, we also had a green Jumpman in the heel. So I'm gonna sell them to a friend. I'm gonna go to the Stockholm Sneaker Con on Saturday 25th January in Stockholm Sneaker Convention. And a buddy of mine, Kalle, he is a size 11. And he likes Jordan 1s more than anything else, or any other sneaker. So he's gonna buy them for retail, of course. I think the retail were like $130, something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the details, because this shoe is absolutely worth to take a closer look at. You know me, tired and hungry as always. That's why my English is so bad. So, velvet, green, gray velvet on the inside is so soft. It's super soft. And it's very plush, very thick inside. The velvet swoosh the red, very beautiful, very soft suede that doesn't change in color when you brush it in different directions. So this is really a quality shoe. So it deserved the Gucci nickname. If this shoe were to be released today, you should count on paying like $250. I'm gonna turn off the light and see if you can see the colors better. That's not good without the light. But so in different kind of lights, the velvet looks green, gray, or black. The sole as well, it is green, but it looks more or less black. It's very dark green. So I think it's a great Christmas themed shoe. No matter if you want to call it Gucci or whatever, as a Christmas shoe, it looks super cool. So yeah, that's it. Let me know if you want to see more videos of old shoes. I have a bunch of shoes that I haven't worn in like 10 years, and I probably still have a couple of dead stock shoes as well. So let me know what you like, or if you only want to see new videos of new shoes. See you at Stockholm SneakerCon, 25th January, this Saturday. Give me a thumbs up. Bye.